I'm Scottie Jeanette Madden. A friend of mine once said that I was reckless in the kitchen. Well, that's true if you define reckless as a woman who likes to play with fire, runs with sharp objects, and is absolutely fearless when it comes to cooking from the heart. I wrote it all down in my new book. Well, come along, I'll show you what I mean. Hey everybody, welcome to Recklass. If you're new, I wrote a cookbook, Recklass in the Kitchen, a year of light, laughter, love, and food. And I'm going chapter by chapter, month by month, and today it's Easter. I'm going to break format. When I first started off on this journey with you, I promised I wouldn't talk about the recipes that are in the book because that's what the book is for. But I got some good feedback from a friend of mine who said that she would love to see what the Mad Hatter stack of dishes is for the Easter egg salad. So I thought, okay, well, we can do that because that's fun to show off. I invented this recipe because I love Easter eggs. But they were breaking my heart because once you spend all that time coloring them, and the next morning the Easter bunny hides them, and then you find them, and then it goes in your Easter basket, and then it's chocolate and jelly beans after that, and who cares about hard-boiled eggs? The next time you might see it is in a school lunch 2 weeks down the road. That was sad to me. So I thought, well, what if we made an Easter egg salad? So here it is. You come to my house on Easter Sunday, I give you a basket. You've got to find your own egg. I'm not going to hand it over that easy. Once everybody finds it, everybody comes to the table and they're presented with the Mad Hatter stack. So once you have your egg, you sit down. We have to wait for everybody to find their eggs. And we do it all together in unison. It's really fun. So you start off, take the egg out of the basket, and the plate is there. Everybody, this is fun. Everybody loves to break eggs, and we all talk about Easter celebrations of old. One of the things that's always fun about Easter eggs is coming up with a new way to color them for Mars. One year I actually went full Swarovski crystals, and I've done gold paint. It's always fun. Okay, once the egg is there, you have a nice platform. Chop the egg, just like you would for an egg salad. This is a defining moment at the table because some people are like, I like it fine chopped. Other people are like, I like it big pieces. Then you lift and look what's underneath. It's egg salad minus the egg. I like to put a little bit of curry in mine. So this is mayonnaise or sometimes yogurt. Yogurt's fun too if you get unflavored yogurt or unflavored coconut yogurt for people who don't want to do mayonnaise. A little bit of Dijon mustard. And then I like pickle, onion, and celery. Get that crunch in there. Mix it all up and then you spoon it in there. Right? In goes the egg. No strays. Then you mix it all up. This all looks pretty mundane, right? Oh my God, we're learning how to make Easter eggs salad on the internet. Aha, you ain't seen nothing yet. This is why it's a salad. Ta-da! Toast some really good artisan bread. Brush it with a little bit of olive oil. Take some arugula. Put that through a real quick olive oil and a little balsamic to kind of give it a little bit of kick. Some nice heirloom tomatoes. A little bit of pepper. And then on goes the egg salad. And voila! Easter egg salad. It's either an open-faced egg salad sandwich or it's an egg salad with a really big crouton. So this is what happens when you get reckless in the kitchen. You get to be creative, you get to be fun and light. Most of all, you get to show everybody that the most important ingredient is love. Get reckless. See you next time.